Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. We appreciate you all tuning back into the live stream. And yes, before you tune to the live stream, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. All right. I do want to go over today. Honestly, it was a great day. I can't complain. Had a couple good entries. I do also, do want to tell the team that we're on live too as well. But I will be completely honest. Yeah, we had a great day. IWM came in clutch. Also, Tesla did its thing too as well. Microsoft is doing this thing too as well. So we are at that final TP. I do want to see if we can get that push though. So under this, hold on. Let's fix this box. So I didn't have this box perfect. So yeah, there is another bottom wall here that looks good. And I almost forgot to tell the team I'm on live. Hold on one sec here. All right, cool. At everyone. All right, cool. Yeah, we just told the team members we're on live now. Really appreciate it. All right, so as of right now, yes, MSFT looks really good. I do want to see if we can get that nice push. Looks really decent. So yeah, we ended up gapping up. So yeah, I honestly do want to see if we can get this as well. So hold on, let's see. So all that looks really decent there. All right, so anyways, we'll keep going here. let's see. IWM Qs. Oh, the Qs looking good too. So looking good again. What, 14 minutes to that close? I do want to see if we can possibly go into this empty space. Obviously Tesla did exactly what we needed to do today. So yeah, we'll keep an eye on the Qs. But Tesla did exactly what we needed to do. We had the empty space here. Clear move down of no consolidation. And you can easily see, yes, before, obviously the after is this, but you know, we had the before, also the after there. You can see IWM, so IWM did end up doing pretty well too as well. So, and you can see what we pretty much called out, what I kept an eye on. Honestly, it looks like it did, that 318 does look, oh, we tapped it. Oh, okay. So, hold on one second here. One second. I gotta, let's sell the, hold on. Oh man. Sorry guys. I'm pretty hyped right now. You can't tell, so. Dang. Tesla X, everyone. Final TP. Yeah, you know. So yeah, that final TP did end up hitting there. IWM, I will be honest. I've been out of this one, but yeah, ended up doing very well on that. All right, the Qs looking pretty nice too as well. So what I seen here was this, and yes, we did have this empty space here. You can see when we called it out. So hold on, where are we at? So yeah, we had what, Tesla here. What we saw, or what I saw, was this empty space. And before this happened, we had a Potter box that needed to break above, and you can easily see, you know, we ended up breaking above that wall there. See what a few of the members ended up doing. So shout out to Rob and shout out to Amelia as well. So Amelia did pretty nice on that too. So yeah, that, what, 312, 318, beautiful. So yeah, you know, I can't even complain. Honestly, I thought we were going to be in a little bit of chop, or at least a little bit more, but I'm glad we ended up breaking outside of our walls, our levels, going to the empty space. Tesla, as of now, I'm not chasing into anything new, so I'm done with this. What looks good to me. Yo, Vic, what's up, bro? Good to see you. Thanks for pulling up to the live stream. Dang, yeah, what a crazy day. I can't even complain. Also, hold on, let's see if we can somehow, some way. So yes, this move is pretty much done for me. I'm not chasing to anything there. Anything new at least. Yo, Jules, appreciate the follows, really appreciate it. So you can see, yes, before You see the beautiful move that we had. This is what I wanted this morning. We did it, and yeah, it was great. You can see I called it out right when market opened. We end up going above, tapping above into this empty space there. What looks good to me now, and no, I'm not telling any of you guys against any of these plays, so yes, please do your own research, of course. Honestly, this is what I would wait for. Let's look at a lower time frame. Let's see. 1 hour. So the 1 hour looks cool. I do want to see the 2 hour though. 2 hours decent too. So J Krupp, what's up, bro? POTR and also HUM. All right, cool. No worries. Let's take a look there. Dang, that's crazy. Dang, what a crazy day. Hold on. PLTR and what? AMD, HUM. All right, cool. Yeah, we'll go over it. All right, so as of now, and on Tesla, dang it, hold on, let's turn that. We do have this, and you know it doesn't look bad. So yeah, we do have what? empty space. Easy. So yeah, we easily can spot. We had a gap down. Now what I'm seeing is if we can break above our next box, our next top wall here, we do have empty space up here. So what I can see up to this 325 area. Where are we currently right now? We are currently, dang, we rejected. That would have been some good nice puts there. All right, but anyways, entry, exit, middle of the move. We have exactly what we want. So that's if we can get up there. As of right now, I'm done with this. You can easily see, yes, we had the empty space that we wanted. Pretty sure we did this on a 1 hour too. So yeah, we broke above this 1 hour. End up going to that first and finally touching that final TP. So yeah, it was great. You can see before, the after. Also, IWM was amazing. You can see pretty much how we called out that play. Shout out to a few of the members that ended up catching it with us. So, all right, so Tesla pretty much done. MSFT. Oh, MSFT did hit that final too. Nice, nice, nice. All right, so for the Qs, honestly, I do want to go over this too as well. So hold on, let's go over what PLTR. Also, I will leave Tesla up. I'll leave that up. AMD and UNH. Okay. UNH. Cool. Yo, Kent, thanks for the follow. Appreciate all the likes, guys. Let's get to 1K likes. 50 likes away. But anyways, dang. Wow, UNH did exactly what I needed it to do. I mean, I didn't get into this one. I was in a couple other places, but you can easily see this morning, this is what we had. And same exact thing. Let's pretend these candles aren't here, or those candles. So yes, we did have this clear gap up of no consolidation. And this is what I'm targeting. So this is what I want to the downside. So we see a clear move up. I would love to take that to the downside. As you can see, we did establish a nice Potter box, a nice beautiful top wall there, bottom wall here. We ended up breaking under, tapping to this first TP. Honestly, what I can see next is we could finish that move, or we break above this wall. I'm looking at the next empty space, which is up to this 262. So, it doesn't look too bad. But no, I'll be honest, I wasn't even in that play. We had a couple other ones. Tesla did really well. IWM did amazing. And MSFT finally wanted to show some love. All right, so AMD. Okay, so hold on. You guys wanted to see AMD PLTR. All right, so AMD. Honestly, yeah, I wanted the upside here. But let's take a look. Let's go to a lower time frame. Oh, wait, hold on. Let's actually get rid of this real quick. Let's delete that. Thank you. So as of right now, oh wow, AMD actually doesn't look too bad. So let's see. Ooh, And honestly, I get it. Yes, we've been dropping crazy. I understand that. What I'm looking at now, hold on, let's see. Let's scroll back. So yes, I do like to scroll back into more empty space. Honestly, what do we have here? So that is a nice little box there. So what I can see now is this empty space here. So you can see that clear move up of no consolidation. So yeah, clear gap up. Green candles. You know, that's the easiest way I can explain it, which is the empty space. Looks pretty fire. You can see, yes, 2 points of contact, body candle. That's what I was looking for. If we can somehow, let's hope we didn't pass it yet. Okay, so we rejected the area. So buyers are in control of this area right here. We can somehow get under that. Obviously, yes, I do see resistance there. I do want to see if we could potentially touch that final TP. And yes, from the first TP, from the final TP, that's going to be the inbound. So this is where price could potentially reverse. And yeah, just like all of our plays, you can see Tesla. Obviously, you know, we did end up reversing at the first time, but we finished that move. You can see IWM definitely ended up reversing there once we did hit that. But yeah, you can pretty much see what a few of the other members did here. Shout out to Fabi as well. So you can pretty much see, you know, what we do. And yeah, either the trades work or we get tapped out. You can see the before, the after, IWM. So that was what, the other day. But you can see, shout out to Karina. So yeah, and you know, when it works, it's great. Obviously, yes, if I have to get tapped out, it's perfectly fine and normal. But yeah, you can see, yes, we're in the box, no trade. We end up breaking outside our wall. We have the trade. You can see how we pretty much call out setups. And either they work or they don't. But yeah, you can see, yeah, crazy plays here. And yes, if you want to join the Discord, you can join the free chat or the VIP. Link is in the bio. Just make sure to join, or make sure to do your own research, of course, if you do plan on joining. All right, so it looks like the queues are going up here. All right, so hold on 1 second here, 1 second. So I'll be honest, I didn't end up chasing into this one. So I do want to see if we can touch that first TP though. Honestly, I'm happy with what I did today. So if this goes, it's fine. I'll wait for the end of day swings. But hold on 1 second here. That doesn't look too bad if we can somehow finish that little move. Not too bad at all. So hold on 1 second. Yo, thanks for the follow, Khabib. Really appreciate it. So you want to see BABA? All right, cool. Also CRM. Cool. So BABA, CRM. We'll go over that. QCOM. All right, yeah, no worries. So 2 minutes until we can get that close. So as of right now, I mean, yeah, we are into this empty space here. If we do continue, it honestly doesn't look too bad. So, and no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any of these plays. I'm currently not into this play. So, yeah, I did end up skipping out on this one. So yeah, I don't like to chase into anything. But yeah, there is that empty space. And no, I'm not telling you guys to get into any of these plays either. All right, so we'll keep an eye on that. We have, what, 2 minutes left before that candle closes. All right, so yeah, give me 1 second. I'm going to get my charger really quickly. We shall see. But yeah, other than that, yeah, we had, what, a great day. Obviously, you can see what we posted. Tesla, before the after, ended up going, what, up $6 from that target. IWM did amazing as well. You can see what I was waiting for, what I told the team this morning. Keeping an eye on IWM, QQ, like all these plays. And yeah, either they work or they don't. If they work, cool. You can see, you know, from yesterday and day before, positive vibes. Shout out to you know, all the members here. All right, so we'll see. We'll keep an eye on this. But yeah, give me 1 second. I'm gonna get my charger really quickly. On my phone's on 5%. So, and please do your own research before doing anything. Yo, I'm here. All right, so I'm just plugging this in. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. I think it'll be. Honestly, yeah, we shall see. We will see. So yeah, I'm literally plugging this in right now. 29 seconds. Yeah, we're very close to that. What, first TP there? Yeah, it looks pretty decent. Not bad at all. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into this place, so please do your own research, of course. I'm only going over the charts. That's pretty much it. Yo, Ken, thanks for sharing the live stream. Really appreciate it. We might get a little rejection on that next candle, or, you know, we could put up. Who knows? So yeah, we'll see. But yeah, that is that imbalance area. Obviously, no, I'm not in this place, so I didn't end up chasing to this one. So yeah, we had a couple other ones that were pretty decent. You can see what from today, what we had. Tesla, IWM, also was in Microsoft too. So I do want to see if we can get that push too as well. But yeah, we'll keep on going though. Very curious if we can hit that. Very close. Let's see. Honestly, very curious. Yeah, we're, you know, if we are that close, I do like to, you know, trim up for sure. But I'm not in this one though. So yeah, we did really good. Might just wait for the end of day swings though. But yeah, we ended up breaking into this empty space here. Obviously, it could still go, but so yeah, had the clear empty space move down. We ended up breaking above our top level, our top wall, and then yeah, we ended up going to this empty space here. What's that like 17 cents from that final TP or that first TP there? I mean, if we end up rejecting it, it's fine, but I mean, I'm not even in this. But yeah, that would have been a trim for me for sure. BABA. All right, so yeah, I do got to go over a couple other trades too as well. But yeah, what a crazy day. I can't even complain. It was a wild day. All right, so I'm gonna pull these up. I'm gonna keep an eye out on this. So I will be looking at this pretty much. All right, so PLTR, BABA, AMD actually looks good. I'm gonna write that down for a little possible move there, and also. So Tesla hit that final TP, and also what? QCOM. All right, cool. We'll keep an eye on these trades. I mean, still can end up in there. All right, so let's see. So CVNA. Okay, we couldn't get that closed there. All right, so BABA, we'll go over all these trades, and yes, you can see what we did today inside the Discord. You see Tesla, beautiful trade for the after, for aftermath, IWM. You see all the call outs we had. You can see what I told the team members, what I was watching for today, keeping an eye on IWM. This was while, I will be honest, this is while I was on live stream. Obviously I went over the charts anyways, but you can see befores, afters, and you can see also the other members here, what they ended up doing. So you can see also from the other day, not just from today, but you can see shout out to one member on that. So yeah, day trade, shout out to Karina, shout out to all the members here. And yes, all the trades are literally just the same. I have my targets, I have exactly what I want, what I need. once we break above our wall, once we get our entry, yeah, I'm, you know, gonna take it. And if I have to get stopped out, that's perfectly fine. But yeah, you know, you can see how we pretty much call out plays. So yeah, what a crazy day. I'll keep an eye on that though. All right, so BABA and also CubeCom. And yes, if you want to join the Discord, you can join the free chat or the VIP chat as well. You can see what the members in there saying. And if the plays hit, cool. If they don't, that's fine. I'll get tapped out, which is, you know, perfectly fine. All right, so the target on the CubeCom is 141.30-ish. I swing trade hold 30 for the 5-day positions. Okay, yeah, I'll take a look at CubeCom for sure. You said 141. Okay, yeah, no worries. I'll take a look. And yes, just please do your own research before doing anything. Of course, not selling any of you guys and gals to get into any of these plays. All right, so right now, okay, I mean, yeah, I do see the downside. The downside looks good. I am currently waiting for the upside. But yeah, if we end up dropping down below even more, this is what I'm looking at. So how I personally spot plays, just like this. So yes, each day in my Discord, you can see we called out what 2-3, you know, trades that ended up hitting. They all ended up hitting. We have the Potter box, the empty space. So what? Top wall, point of contact there, point of contact there. We end up breaking under this wall. I'm personally looking for the next resistance, and I don't see any until, so I don't see any other red candles until boom here. Yes, I could take it down here, but there is also resistance there. So in other words, yes, what is this? A gap, you know, everyone knows what that is. Also, you can see we do have entry to the exit, the literal middle of the move. This is the imbalance. This is where price could potentially reverse. So once I get in, let's just say if I, and obviously no, there's no entry since where are we at in consolidation. But let's just say if I did end up entering here and it hits my first TP, this is when I'm gonna, you know, take out most of my contracts and leave the runner. So the last few contracts, just to see if it'll go and hit that final TP. If it does, cool. If it doesn't, then no worries. I already, you know, made profits on that trade. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So if those runners didn't work, I would definitely stop out at a break even. All right, so now we'll keep going. So the keys, we'll keep on. So we'll see if we can get that retest there. All right, so QCOM, let's see, 180. Clove, yo, Cruz, what's up, man? So what, Clove as well? Okay, I'll write that down. He said, there's no chart for POTR. Hold on one second here. Oh, I gotta pull up the other chat. So yeah, hold on, let me pull up the other chat here. I forgot I had a whole nother chat. Okay, I'm here, guys. Appreciate it. Whoever's in here. All right, cool. Oh, so anyways. I'm pretty sure I had this on the 2-hour, if I'm not mistaken. So hold on, let's see. So personally for me, what I have here, do we have empty space below us? Just a little bit, but I do like this upside, and you know, it doesn't look bad. So the first thing that I personally see here is yes, this clear move down of no consolidation. And this is exactly what I would want to the upside. And in order for me to do that, I would need a break above our top, you know, wall. So you can see above that, what, 152 area, body candle, another body candle there. We end up somehow, some way getting above. We do have that empty space above us. So yeah, looks good, looks decent. Not going to do anything on that, just going to wait. So yeah, all these plays, you know, let's just say I have it ready. I'm just going to wait and see if I can get it. If there's no trade, then that's perfectly fine. So what? I'm pretty sure, hold on, give me a second here. So for Tesla, I was waiting on Tesla for a very long time. So this wasn't a And yeah, Tesla's still doing pretty good. So I will be honest. Hold on, let's see. I wanna. Oh, let's see here. 1 second. 1 second. What? 3. Monday. All right, so you can even see. Let's see. I was waiting for this trade. There we go. Hold on. Since yesterday, the day before, 3. Hold on. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, this is the one. So yeah, pretty much since yesterday, and as you can see, and the day before that, we had the empty space. You can see I wanted this yesterday, and we couldn't get it because we were in consolidation. But fast forward today, same exact thing. We had the same exact play. I saw us, yes, we were breaking outside this consolidation area, holding above our level. And yeah, honestly, we had a very good close above. So we ended up closing above 2 as well, which gave another opportunity to continue. And we ended up continuing to the upside there. So yeah, you pretty much see when we called it out, how we called it out this, this morning. You can also see, the other trades that we do end up getting into. So like this, I get it, IWM, yeah, that was beautiful before, aftermath. So yeah, if it works, cool. If it doesn't, I get tapped out, which is fine. But when they do work, you can see what one member did there. Just look, it's crazy. You can see, all these other trades here. Qs yesterday for aftermath, tapping into both. You can see how we pretty much, and yeah, we waited. I didn't care about it. I told the members, I was like, look, we're just going to wait for these trades. We ended up getting them. Ended up doing pretty well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, so let's keep on going here. So DG. All right, so I got to go over a couple of these plays too as well. WMT finally moved. Did it? So WMT, we got to go over. So the Qs might end up getting that reject there. Let's see. DG. All right, yeah, we'll take a look at all these. Did we do Clove? All right. BABA. Did we did BABA? So yeah, we did that. We didn't do SPY yet though. I don't think we did SPY. So yeah, we shall go over all these trades here. So let's see. Oh, Walmart did more than move. Oh man. Oh wow. That's that. Walmart did more than move. I will be honest. I was waiting on this one for quite a while. Looks like yeah, it went. I do want to see. Hold on. Let's see. Yeah, that's crazy. Dude, that's wild. Hold on, let's see. Yeah, that's pretty wild. Hold on, and it's still going. Give me a second here. So what? We wanted this. I'll be honest, I didn't end up getting in, but maybe the few of the members ended up doing. So yeah, I ended up calling this out in the VIP Discord. I guess my alert didn't go off, but anyways, cool. We end up breaking outside of this wall here. You can see what I was waiting for. I called this out Monday, so you can see in my VIP chat the potential setups. WMT, we same play. You can see above that 100 area, 101 or 101. 101. We did hit that first TP. Honestly, I wanted an end of day on it, but looks like I wanted to take off, middle of the day. We end up hitting that first TP. If we do, and yes, not telling anyone to chase into anything, so I would never chase into a play that's already going. But as you can see, if we can potentially continue, I don't see it not hitting that 103. So it doesn't look bad though. It doesn't look terrible. Oh wow, hold on. I do have to send this in the chat. So maybe a few of the members did end up getting in though. So yeah, pretty much post everything, you know, inside of the Discord. You can see when we pretty much call out plays, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, that was, dang, yeah, that's wild. So you can see the before that after there. Hold on one second here. He said, I would love to join the group. When is your next discount coupon? So yeah, I mean, honestly, yeah, if you want to even just join the free chat, you can. Free chat's pretty fire too as well if you do want to join that. You can be a part of the team. You can also ask questions. Everyone there is pretty cool. But yeah, VIP chat, link is in the bio too as well. Just, yeah, honestly, you can just hit me up for that discount code. I still think it's still active. It's code 25, but yeah, just give me a DM, no worries at all. Yo, DB, what's up? Yo, what did you, bro? Hope all is well. And Walmart finally broke that 100 mark. So yeah, it did. It did exactly what I needed. Man, yeah, we had that empty space here. Hold on, I do have to type in the chat. Damn, that's crazy. All right. Hold on, I do have to send this in the chat though. Alright, so I did send this in the chat. So yeah, you can see anyone still in Walmart. Yeah, that's wild. So a few of the members did end up getting into that. Shout out to Leah. Shout out to all the members, and you can see in the VIP Discord. Oh wait, I gotta go over a couple other trades. Dang, Tesla is still going. Oh man. All right. Hold on. Let's take a look. Wow, Walmart. Dang, that final. Hold on, dude. That is crazy. That was beautiful. Dang, we broke above. We ended up just continuing. That continuation is crazy. Now that's the beauty of this empty space. That's what I like about it. All right, so as of right now, amen. You know, shout out Jesus for this day. It was a great day, man. Can't even complain. You can see also what we did here today. Can't even complain. You can see Tesla for the after, IWM. Yeah, it was wild. Yeah, it was crazy day. Dang, Walmart is still going. All right, so let's go over this. Let's break this down. Let's go to a 24-hour chart and let's see what the damage is here. All right, so we ended up going into this empty space here, going all the way down. What I'm looking at now is actually, yeah, let's go to a weekly chart. So what I am seeing is we do have top bottom wall there. We could somehow continue. Love to see us up to that 123. Yes, I definitely could see definitely a trim point there at that 116, but we'll have to see. And no, not telling anyone to get into any of these plays, so yes, please do your own research before doing anything. But yeah, it doesn't look bad. So yeah, WMT went absolutely wild. Tesla still going crazy. And yeah, you know, this is a perfect example. Like, you know, yes, we had, you know, the play. We had Tesla before, the after. Once our TPs get hit, I'm done. I'm out. I'm not messing with this trade anymore. Obviously, did it end up going up? It went up almost $2 up. And that's perfectly fine. I'm not going to cry about it. As long as my targets end up getting hit, that's the whole point. That's the whole goal about what we do here. So as long as I can, play to my targets, that's fine. There's always going to be a new play, just like WMT. We had the empty space. Our targets, that target did end up getting hit. So if we hit that last target, that's cool. That's great. If it doesn't, that's also fine. So if this goes above that 103, which can it go above? Absolutely it can. But if it does, that's perfectly fine. But yeah, you can see targets got hit. We end up taking, and that's perfectly fine there. But yeah, crazy trades. I can't even complain. What a great day for the members and I. Shout out to Amelia. Shout out to a few of the plays. She got into some Tesla. So yeah, really good move up. And also IWM was great too. All right, so now let's keep going. Thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. So let's see. So Clove. Okay, let's go to a higher time frame and break this down. All right, so yeah, it looks like or at least I ended up missing out on this one. I mean, yeah, clear as day. I mean, let's see here. We do have top ball there. Where's the points of contact coming from? All right, so I'll take that bottom ball there. So yeah, honestly, yeah, we ended up breaking outside of this bottom ball here. Under us, we had this gap, empty space, and as you can see, there's absolutely nothing to stop us to this downside. So if we end up continuing to this downside, I don't see any resistance. I think we did hit the imbalance though, so let's see if we hit the imbalance. Yeah, we did. We did that already. So yeah, from entry to exit, the middle of the move, we have exactly what we want, which is the imbalance. So this is where price could potentially reverse. So yeah, that doesn't look too bad there. But no, I would never chase into a play like this. Just because, looks good, definitely wouldn't do it. But absolutely wild. So SPY, WMT is going pretty wild. Okay, SPY is going, SPY looks pretty good. Hold on. Actually going to leave that up. All right, so the Qs did end up going and rejecting too. So Qs, so I do got to send that too as well. 1 second here. So I think, hold on 1 second here. Oh, let's see. Hold on 1 second. Because yeah, this was a trade from earlier. All right, so that's that. So yeah, beautiful trades, and yeah, you can see pretty much when we called out all these positions. You can see QQQ calls, clear move down, no consolidation, and we can see the QQQ. You can see when we called it out right before market opened. We did end up going and tap into those CPs. Also, Tesla too. The Tesla was great, man. And also IWM too as well. So you can see clear move down, no consolidation. You can see Tesla. You can see I pretty much called out everything. Told the members the entries, the exits, what I was looking for. And yeah, either they worked or they didn't. If they didn't work, that's fine too as well. You can see also this morning, IWM imbalance did end up hitting there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, it was great. I can't even complain. What a great day for the members and I. You can see also a couple other members did end up catching those with us as well. So yeah, you can see the befores, the after, before, the aftermath as well. And yeah, it was a great day. Obviously, yeah, if I have to get stopped out, if I have to get tapped out, that's cool, that's fine. I'm not going to cry about it because I know there's another trade. So you can see, shout out David. On the way down working 8 to 6. Anything is possible with this group. So boom, That's it. That's pretty much it. Yo, Gene, thanks for sharing the live stream. He said, drop your CA address. Honestly, bro, when so let's see. PayPal, okay, yeah, we'll go over that too as well. The Discord link is in the bio. So yeah, the Discord link is in my bio. It's that first link actually. It's that WAP link. And that'll allow you to go to the free chat or the VIP chat. Honestly, if you're new, just join the free chat, see how you like it. But yeah, the VIP chat is there. You know, we post pretty much all the setups. And yeah, if they hit, cool. If they don't, they don't. You can see what we had this morning too as well. But yeah, if it doesn't work, just give me a DM and I got you, no worries. And ask for CA so I can see you something. Dude, honestly, a lot of people ask for my PO box, so I'll create one. How about that? I'll create one. Yo, Sierra, thanks for the follows. D-Man, what's up, what's up? So yeah, it was a great day. And you can see literally all the play. I mean, it's not going to be like every single play, but you can see we stick to quality setups. See the before there, the after. So you can see when we called it out. Tesla was beautiful. We can see when we called this out right when market opened or 8 minutes after. You can see the before. So you can see the before here and also that after there. And yeah, I posted it this morning. You can see the date. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Either, you know, the plays work or they don't. My job here is only to react to the plays as well. So yeah, RK loyal. Yeah, I got you, man. I'll have to I'll get that PO box ready for sure. So yeah, it was a great day. I can't complain at all. Beautiful day. And honestly, I'm just may find one more trade. Honestly, I may just wait until the end of day swings. So yes, we do end up swing trading too as well. So the last hour is when we mainly get into a lot of our trades. But I will be honest, our day trades have been doing, you know, pretty decent once we do get a, you know, quality setup for sure. I mean, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, and that's pretty much it. All right, so we'll keep on going. So what? Owen, what's up, dude? You want to see, okay, wait. PYPL, let's go over that. We can also go over, so I do want to go over SPY too. And then you wanted to see Chewy. Let's see. All right, cool, no worries. So QQ might be touching the, let's see that final TV there. Dang. Yeah, this is crazy. I mean, it's not really crazy because, like, you know, this is what I pretty much do every day. I mean, if it works, cool. If it doesn't, it's cool. But it is beautiful to see, you know, the plays, you know, end up going as well. All right, so hims and hers. All right, cool. Yeah, we can go over that. So what? Dang, Walmart. All right, cool. Yeah, we'll go over all these trades here. And yes, just give me 1 second. You're gonna give me some more water, things of that sort. So yeah, 1 second here. And yes, if you do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio for the you can join the free chat. Free chat's pretty fire. Just make sure to do your own research before doing anything. But yes, 1 second here. I'll be right back, guys and gals. Yo, what's up, guys? I'm back. All right, so yeah, I did get some water here. But dang, really nice, really nice. So yeah, I know a lot of people were looking at me crazy on this trade too, but yeah, we did end up finally rejecting there into this empty space. Do want to see if we could potentially, if we do continue, my final target would be that 565. But yes, this area here. So let's turn this music back on there. Let's see, where are we at? Qs. All right. So yeah, this area here, this is the inbound. So this is where price could potentially reject. So if we somehow get back under this wall and reject, I could potentially see us dropping. But my final TP will be that 565.72. And you know, it doesn't look too bad though. Not bad, not bad. Hold on. Let's. I do have to send this to the members because this, just in case if they are in. Let's see here. All right, cool. So yeah, this is pretty much how I do it. You know, we have the plays, we have the entries, we have exits, and they work cool. And I'll be like, hold on. All right, cool, nice. Dude, hold on, that's so funny. Yo, Rug is so funny. Walmart hit 103, did it? Let's see. Oh yeah, so yeah, looks like, you know, all the plays are doing pretty well. QQQ doing really well too as well. Yeah, you can see pretty much all these setups, literally all of them. You can see what we called them out. QQQ, what we had here. Told the members keep an eye on this. See the before there. Also, we had IWM this morning. See after on the Qs here. WMC looks like, oh, dang. And then this is crazy. The only thing that I'm missing is my face cam. So I wish TikTok let me allow me to stream again. So I'm streaming from my phone. I get it. You can roast me, but it's fine. So it looks like that final TP is trying to approach there. All right, cool. Damn, that's beautiful, man. Beautiful. Where's Walmart? Walmart's still doing this thing there. All right, so yeah, they're like both of them are very close to my TPs. Time for me to sit back and relax until the end of the day. So yeah, end of day swings is what I'll be waiting for. Hopefully we can get these targets here. And no, I'm not telling any of you guys to get into any of these plays. So yes, you all have to do your own research before doing anything. But yeah, these were trades we called out this morning. Yeah, which is crazy. Obviously, Tesla 2, IWM. He said QQQ is the jam. So you can see what the team and I were pretty much waiting for. So shout out to my moderators inside of the Discord too. Shout out to Glock and Rugged. You can see his Rug's charts are amazing too. So we're looking at the same exact thing. We have a plan. We know what we want. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Beautiful. Dang, this is crazy. Let's go. Yeah, the members are going pretty wild. Yeah, wild. Crazy. So yeah, you can see all these trades. Either they work, they don't. We can see when they work. See just an example before, the aftermath. You can see how we pretty much call out plays inside the Discord. Shout out to one of the members. So yes, we're on a higher time frame. I get it. Yes, these are day trades, but I'm day trading on a higher time frame. So 1 hour, 2 hour, possibly 4 hour. I'm looking for the bigger move. Obviously, my swing trades are going to be on a higher time frame, so a 24-hour weekly chart. Those are going to be my swings for sure. But that's pretty much it. Dang, Walmart is going crazy. And you can see, yes, WMT. Hold on. Where are we at? Let's see here. Hold on, give me a second here. So yes, what? WMC. This was a call out from Monday. You can see what we were waiting for. A few members didn't end up getting in. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into these trades. So yes, please do your own research. We broke above into this empty space. Yeah, that's wild. So yeah, trades worked out pretty well, and yeah, it's been wild. It's been a wild day. It's honestly been a crazy week. So I can't even complain. Shout out to the team. All right, Q's. Let's see if we can finally make our final way up here. Obviously, you know, if it doesn't, who cares? But so yeah, Q's going pretty nice right now. Yeah, I'm pretty sure SPY's following too. Honestly, I may see something new on SPY too. So, I mean, pretty much. All right, so if I had to do SPY, 1 second here. Oh, the Q's looking amazing. I do want to see if we can get that final TP there. It looks very close too. All right, hold on. So for something new on SPY, we have this empty space. So clear move up, clear move, or clear move down, no consolidation. We somehow can get above. We have empty space, which looks really good. Top, bottom, all there. We somehow break above. Looks really good. Yo, thanks for the tiny diners. Really appreciate it. So that's above that 632 area. That's what I'm looking at on SPY. All right, so PayPal. All right, so yeah, we'll keep going. But yeah, what a crazy day. And yes, if you want to join the Discord, you can join the free chat or the VIP. Link is in the bio. Just make sure to do your own research before doing anything, of course. All right, so wait, PayPal. Let's get rid of this. So I don't know what that is. Let's see this 4 hour. Okay. I do like that 4 hour. That 4 hour looks really good. 2 hour looks a lot better though. All right, so yes, there is levels to this. So there is a potential gap in here where this box is. But the bigger move that I'm looking at that I like personally is this. And this is something that I definitely would end up waiting for. Area consolidation here. So nice Potter box. We do have a nice break above. So if we can somehow Tesla money machine. Honestly, I love, and you know, this is why I stick to my main setups each day. Like, you can go to my games page and see I stick to my main setups. Obviously, you know, I do trade, you know, other stocks and things of that sort for swings and things of that. But I know what I'm comfortable with. I know, you know, what I can be consistent on, and it works for me. So you can see, yes, not just today, but yeah. So PayPal, Blanca, my bad. So yeah, over that 72 looks good. We have a empty space above us. Just gonna wait. But no, not telling any of you guys against any of these plays either. So yes, please do your own research. And we also do have that. So if we end up continuing, we could go into there. That's 69.52. But yeah, you know, for me, I do like to keep it the exact same. Obviously, yes, we have variety that we end up swing trading, things of that sort. But for my day trades, you'll see Tesla, you'll see QQQ, you see IWM. You can see we pretty much call out same entries, NVDA, things of that sort. You can see this was yesterday, before the after. You could also see what the day before that. You can see this was what on Monday. IWM before, also the after. You can see how we pretty much call out setups. You can see Karina, you can see, you know, we keep it the exact same. I'll look for the same place, QQQ. This was the other day as well. So just how, you know, the Q's has the empty space. This was today. This was the other day. We look for the same move. I don't change anything, and I definitely won't. So you can see also Tesla, NVDA. See MSFT, what? That's HOD. So yeah, those are more varieties for, you know, swings, things of that sort. QBT. So yeah, QBT, things of that. Google, yeah, I like trading Google as well. QQQ again, before the after. See, you know, what a few of the members end up doing there. And yeah, either it works or it doesn't. If I get tapped out, that's fine. And yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, so let's keep going here. So we did SPY too as well. Yeah, that was crazy. So yeah, it was a great day. You know, just gonna wait for the end of day for, you know, the swings now. I'm definitely not gonna overdo myself right now. So, all right, what looks good to me? And honestly, if we can close like this, it will be decent. Let's see, weekly chart though. So weekly, okay, I don't really like the weekly 24-hour. Actually, you know what? This 24-hour does look a lot better. So this is like a small move, of course, but what I can see here is this. Top wall, bottom wall here. We break under. Yes, I get it. Not the craziest move, small move. But there is empty space down to this 33 area. So there is that little gap there that I'm seeing. So a clean move up, no consolidation. If we can somehow, some way break under that wall there. Entry, exit, middle of the move. We have exactly what we want. So it actually looks really good. My bad reading all the chats. I think there's a bot. Hey Cynthia. It's a bot in here. Is your Discord free? Yes, my Discord is free. Found your channel yesterday, looking to place my first. So yeah, my Discord is free. You can join the free chat. Honestly, yes, if you're completely new as well, yeah, try the free chat. See how you like it. Talk to the members. Just make sure to just do your own research, of course. If you do join the VIP chat, just make sure to do your own research as well. But yeah, everything is in the link in the bio. All right, now we'll keep going here. I mean, keep the Qs we could potentially reject. I do want to see if we can hit that 565, but personally, I'm not going to touch it. I wouldn't even, you know, touch it at all, just because, you know, that move already happened. So I'm just going to wait for a new move to set up, and that's pretty much it for me. So that's just what I see. That's what I'm looking at, and yeah, that's pretty much it. But yes, guys and gals, I will be getting off now. So yes, I do have a lot of work to do inside of the Discord. So if you do want to join, obviously you don't have to. I'm pretty much live every single day. But yeah, you can join the free chat or the VIP chat as well. Link is in the bio. You can also talk to the members so you can see what we did here, what we do. And yeah, I still got to post the other charts too as well. But yes, thank you all so much for tuning back into the live stream. I will be doing another live stream end of day. But yes, thank you all so much. Have a blessed one, guys and gals. In Jesus' name, amen. See you all soon.